All right guys, I think this is all set now. I just did another final buff on it. Everything is together, wiped down, put in, you know, all that stuff. So I think I'm finally done. So I wanted to give you guys a final, you know, look at what this car is. If you can remember, this was a silver C5 Z06. It had a you know, little fender bender in the front right here that I took apart, which obviously all this stuff's on the videos that I posted, and we changed the color to the electron blue. So this is what this car looks like. It has the wide body Corvette Creations wide body rear fenders on it. I wanted to do wide body fenders on the front, but they were so horrible that I ditched them. So these are the stock fenders. But just wanted to give you guys an idea of what this thing looks like. It actually looks really good in person. There's always a few things that if you know, you're a perfectionist, you know, I do auto body, so I like things to be perfect. There's some things that aren't perfect on this car, but this is a daily driver that I did for my brother. This is not a show car. It is not a trailer queen. It's not anything like that. So I think it's going to be all set and good when it's done, but wanted to give you guys an idea of what it looked like out in the sun. This color is absolutely gorgeous. Really like this color a lot. Apex wheels. The fronts are 275 35 18s. The rears are, the rear is 305 30 19s. It does have a 2-inch spacer in there for the wide body fenders, but you can see how well the tires look, the wheels look on here. So if you guys have you know, anything you want to ask me about this, you've watched all the other videos, what I've done, what I need to do, how to do something, please let me know. I can make any other videos about this car if you would like also. So this was a fun car to rebuild. I did have a lot of fun with it, so hopefully you guys enjoyed watching some of my videos and you think the car looks good. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you with the next build.